Hello everyone, so we're about to make buttercream, a white buttercream. One important thing you have to do is to measure. This is my electronic scale. I'll be using this to measure my ingredients for my butter icing. Now your butter icing consists of four major ingredients. We have our icing sugar, we have the vegetable shortening, we have our flavor, and then we have our water. You can always use milk if you don't want to use water to make it creamier. Alright, so now we get started. I'm going to put on my scale and I'll measure my icing. Now ensure that your scale reads 0. Okay, now if you read 0, take your icing, let's open up our icing sugar. Open up your icing sugar and scale 1 kg. We have smaller bags icing sugar. Okay, I'm using this because I do a lot of work. So I'm going to scale 1 kg, which is also 1000 grams. We have that and set aside. Then we take our shortening. Now you will see ZT on your scale if you're using an electronic scale. Click on that to take it back to 0 and measure your shortening 300 grams. We're almost there. Okay, that's slightly above 300. Yeah, 300 grams on point. Now our shortening is quite tasteless, so we want to add a little bit of salt to taste. So you could give like a pinch of salt into your icing sugar. Set that aside. Just stir the part where you added the salt a little bit. Alright, beautiful. Now we set our mixer bowl into our mixer. With your palette attachment, you attach that to your mixer. For Kenwood users, you will hear the K beater. Attach that to your mixer and then put on your mixer on slow speed. Now hygiene is key. We don't want to mess up the entire area here, so please put on your gloves. Now we're going to start our mixer slowly and gradually because we don't want the icing sugar to splash everywhere. Now while that is mixing, we're going to measure out our water. We're measuring out 1/3 cup. Remember, 1/3 cup. Okay, we set our scale aside. We have our water 1/3 cup. We take our flavor and just drop a few drops of flavor into your water. Now we stop our mixer and then stir to ensure the icing sugar mixes very well with the shortening so that we can get a beautiful breadcrumbs. Please, this process is very crucial. Ensure that the shortening mixes well with the icing sugar so that it resembles fine breadcrumbs. The reason we don't pour our water immediately at the beginning is because we don't want the icing sugar to absorb the water and form lumps. So that's the reason why I'm saying ensure that the shortening mixes very well with your icing sugar. Now if you've done that and you're sure it's well mixed, you can now add in your water and flavor. At that point, increase the speed of your mixer. the mixer, stir. Alright, after giving a good stir, bring out your spatula, put it back, and then you pour in ice cream. Now we're just going to mix for about 2 minutes. Allow it to mix well. We stop and stir a bit. We want to get a smooth icing. And then we mix to get a smooth one. That will be our final mixture. I can see my icing is coming together very nicely. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Okay. Set that aside. Bring out the bowl and stir. Can you see our butter icing? That's your white buttercream, also known as American buttercream. Thanks for watching.